Managed Wi-Fi networks capture four distinct data types: device identifiers, session data, identity data, and movement telemetry. But many organizations deploy expensive infrastructure without a clear strategy for what data to collect, how to secure it, or how to extract commercial value. First, require authenticated sessions for tracking. MAC randomization has made passive probe tracking obsolete for accurate, persistent data collection. Second, deploy captive portals for identity. They are the primary mechanism for capturing first-party identity data and securing legal consent. Third, unbundle consent for GDPR compliance. GDPR requires unbundled, granular consent for marketing and a documented lawful basis for processing data. Fourth, segment networks for PCI DSS. PCI DSS mandates strict logical network segmentation to isolate guest Wi-Fi from payment processing environments. Fifth, integrate Wi-Fi platforms with CRM. Data must not sit idle. Integrate Wi-Fi platforms with CRM and marketing tools via APIs. Read the full guide at purple.ai.